Hey, hi everybody, and this is Arvind Upadhyay. I'm talking about stop to think about what other people think about you. Stop to giving attention to the everyone. Attention is a luxury thing now these days. One of my seminar, I talk about that everybody is trying to get your attention. All of the companies out there, businesses out there, they think that how they can attract your attention, and most of the bell work have done in these categories, Instagram reels, and you spend lots of the time on Instagrams, but even you don't realize that. So what you're doing with that, is there any type of the outcome, any type of the productiveness, any type of the results are you getting from that? No. It's all about two distractions, and you can eliminate all of the distractions by thinking, by doing the things called don't give any type of the attention to anyone. Attention is a luxury thing. If you're looking to someone, you have to thinking to get something from that. i mean if you're just seeing anyone out there, everyone is doing any type of the marketing and any type of the promotion for anything. So you have to think about that. That's a reduce your attention level to other, and you have to think about that don't think what other people think about you, and don't give a fuck to everyone, that everybody is what caring about, what thinking about, because this is the controlling you to achieve your goals and plans and dreams. So you have to think about that. Don't care about anyone and don't give attention to everyone.